You've just unboxed your new RingCentral desk phone, and you're looking at a sleek piece of tech, a handful of cables, and a quick start guide that feels more like a short novel. You're excited to get it working, but you're also wondering, how do I actually set this thing up? That's a question a lot of people ask, and it's a great one. Because while RingCentral is a powerful, all-in-one business communications platform, it's only as good as its setup. Getting it right from the start is the key to unlocking its full potential. We're talking about more than just making a phone call here. We're talking about an entire ecosystem of messaging, video conferencing, and, yes, a crystal-clear phone system that can handle your business's needs from anywhere. So, what if you could have your new phone up and running, fully provisioned, and ready to make a call in just a few minutes? What if you could have the confidence that it's connected to your account, your settings are correct, and you're ready to start taking calls like a pro? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process of setting up your RingCentral desk phone, step by step. We'll cover the physical assembly, the crucial network connections, and how to confirm everything is working perfectly. Whether you're a new user or an administrator setting up multiple phones, this guide will make the process simple and stress-free. So, let's get started. The first step is a simple one, and it's all about hardware. Your RingCentral phone came with a base, a handset, and a power adapter. You might also have a stand and an Ethernet cable. The first thing you want to do is assemble the phone. This usually involves connecting the handset to the base with the coiled cord. You'll find a designated port on the side of the phone for this. Make sure you plug it into the handset port and not the headset port, as they can sometimes look similar. Then, attach the stand to the base if you want to elevate the phone. It's a quick and easy process, and once it's done, your phone should look like, well, a phone. Now, let's talk about power. Your RingCentral phone can get its power in one of two ways. The most common way is using the included power adapter. You'll plug the adapter into the back of the phone and the other end into a standard wall outlet. The second, and often more preferred method for businesses, is power over Ethernet or PoE. If your network switch or router supports PoE, you can skip the power adapter entirely. The Ethernet cable will provide both the internet connection and the power. It keeps your setup cleaner and more streamlined, and it's a great feature to take advantage of if you have it. Speaking of the Ethernet cable, this is the most critical part of the setup. Your RingCentral phone is a voice over IP, or VoIP, phone, which means it uses your internet connection to make calls. So, you'll take your Ethernet cable and plug one end into the network port on the back of your phone. The other end goes into an available port on your router or your network wall outlet. This is what connects your phone to the RingCentral cloud and your company's phone system. While some phones do have Wi-Fi capabilities, RingCentral always recommends a wired connection for the most reliable call quality and performance. A stable connection is everything when it comes to VoIP. Once your phone is assembled, powered on, and connected to the internet, it's time to watch the magic happen. The phone will go through a provisioning process, which is essentially it downloading all of your account and user information from the RingCentral servers. This usually happens automatically if you purchased the phone directly from RingCentral. It's a plug-and-play experience. But what if you didn't buy the phone directly from them? This is where a little extra work comes in. If you're using a third-party phone, you'll likely need to provision it manually. This typically involves an administrator logging into the RingCentral admin portal and entering the phone's MAC address or serial number. From there, you'll be given a set of instructions, often a server address, to enter into the phone's menu. This tells the phone where to look for its configuration files. It's a bit more hands-on, but still a very manageable process. The key is to have the phone's serial number handy and to follow the instructions provided in your RingCentral account's admin portal. Once the provisioning is complete, you'll see a clear indication on the phone's display. It should show your name or the assigned extension, along with the correct date and time. This is your confirmation that the phone is online, activated, and ready for use. If it says something like phone user removed or an abbreviation of that, it means it's not yet assigned to a user, and you'll need to go into the admin portal to assign it to an extension. The final and most satisfying step is to make a test call. Pick up the handset, listen for a dial tone, and call any number. You can call another extension within your company or an outside number. If the call goes through successfully, you've done it. Your RingCentral phone is set up and ready to go. You're now connected to your business's professional phone system, able to make and receive calls with all the benefits of the RingCentral platform. You can now explore other features like call forwarding, voicemail to email, and more, all managed from your RingCentral app or online portal. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.